Good afternoon. If you've not seen part 1 of this video, click on the pop out banner above, stop what you're doing now, go and watch part 1, because otherwise none of this is going to make any sense. While you're watching it, don't go off on the YouTube rabbit hole trick journey down into, I don't know, God knows wherever videos. Come back, make sure you come back and watch part 2. This is my Doom Eternal Demon Slayer Nvidia RTX bundle that I was lucky enough to win a sweepstake to purchase this bundle. So this is part 2 of the video. The bundle was split into 2 parts. Some of the other parts couldn't be delivered on time, and while I was ill I got the package. And I have had this for a little while, but I wanted to wait till it was much better to make a video. So let's get the box open and show you the rest of the package for part 2. Very nicely packed. Throwing stuff around. So the first thing from part 2 is the titanium mini Slayer figure. I'm going to open this up, we'll go through that in more detail in a minute. We've got the Doom Eternal Mousemat. That I'm really looking forward to getting hold of this. Once again, I'll open this up, we'll get it stretched out, we'll take a closer look at that in a second. And we have, only 300 of these should have been made, the Doom Eternal Nvidia GeForce RTX t-shirt. Now I wanted to show you the unboxing, but let's now put it on. Fits nice, just a decent size. Whether it's one size fits all, I don't know, but I'm happy with that. I will be wearing this when we start playing through the Doom Eternal game on the channel. I promised I was going to do that in 4K 120Hz with ray tracing. So now we've got the full kit. I'm just going to the box out of the way. So this is the full kit. We've got the Stubbins minifigure, the RTX 3080 Ti, the Mousemat, the titanium figure, the backpack, and the t-shirt. But you've already seen these items in video 1, so let's just look at these 2 other items in greater detail. So I'm going to start with the Mousemat. This is a professional gaming mat. It is dimensions, if anybody wanted to know. I'm reading this off the box. 800 by 350 by 4mm. So I'm just going to get this opened up. I like to keep the boxes undestroyed. So I'm just going to open this out. This Mousemat I think is brilliant. I'm going to spread it out on the table and look at the colours on that. I am really chuffed with this. And although this is Doom, it really does give me a vibe of Halo as well. So here we have the titanium mini Slayer figure. I'm going to get this opened up. I really like this. So if I open up, So this is the Nvidia Doom Eternal GeForce RTX Demon Slayers bundle. I must thank Nvidia and Bethesda for making this competition, the sweepstakes competition, possible. Although I haven't won I won the sweepstake, I've had to purchase everything in front of me, and without this I would not have had the GeForce RTX 3080 Ti that's allowed me to take my gaming to the very highest tier level. I honestly feel blessed, and I thank you for giving me the opportunity, because with what's happened over the last couple of years, with just the world situation, graphics cards, mining, blah 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 blah, there's no way I couldn't pick one of these up without this. So truly, thank you very much. So with all of this bundle here, that means one more thing. There was the Doom Eternal game code with the 2 expansion packs that I am going to play through on the channel. Apparently there is something linked in with this figure here, the collectible. It's a special expansion pack, so we're going to get playing those. If you're interested, make sure you watch those videos. Well guys, I'm going to leave it there. Again, I feel blessed to have got the chance to purchase this, because I know not everyone's got this opportunity. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon in more videos to come. Peace out.